Hello everybody, Basiliskfang here, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I was messing around with Windows 10 and Cortana, and I found out that she says some pretty entertaining things. So, today I'm going to be asking her what sounds different animals make. Cortana, what does a dog say?
Arf, arf, arf.
Arf, arf, arf. Wise words, wise words. Cortana, what does a cat say?
Meow.
Meow. Not just meow. It's meow. Cortana, what does a fish say?
Blub, blub, blub.
Blub, blub, blub. Interesting. Thank you, Cortana. I didn't know that. Cortana, what does a horse say?
Whinny.
Whinny. Whinny. You know, when you're walking down the street, you're passing the farm. I used to live out in farm country. Passing the farm and the horses are all out. They're hanging out by the fence and they're like, hey, whinny, motherfucker. Cortana, what does a pig say?
Oink, 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 oink.
Oink, 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 oink. Not just oink, or oink, oink. You gotta get 5 oinks in there, and that last one has to be super enthusiastic. It has to be oink, 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 oink. Cortana, what does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. Cortana, what does a mouse say?
Eek, eek.
Eek, eek. Not squeak, squeak, or squeakity squeak, or squeak, squeak, squeakin', or anything like that. Eek, eek. Very interesting, Cortana. Cortana, what does a bird say?
Tweet, 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 tweet.
I wasn't expecting the second tweet, tweet in there. See, I thought birds said tweet, tweet, but apparently they say tweet, 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 in that order. Cortana, what does the sheep say?
Bah.
Cortana, they don't pay you enough to do your job. Ah, she's so enthusiastic. Cortana, what does a dolphin say? Okay, I didn't know she was gonna do that one. I thought I was just gonna get a Google search of some kind. Cortana, what does a seal say?
Arf, arf, arf.
See, Siri does not have this sort of enthusiasm when she does her job. Cortana, what does a lion say?
Roar.
Roar. Cortana, what does a monkey say?
Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah, ah.
Not sure what I expected. Cortana, what does an elephant say?
I really can't do elephants justice.
Wow, she got a tiny bit sassy on that one. Alright, and I think we're going to end with the ever-famous Cortana, what does a fox say?
Chow, 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 chow.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this short little video of mine. I had a lot of fun doing it because I did not realize Cortana was this hilarious, and I might be doing more videos with Cortana in the future. We'll see. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to get more stuff like this. Like this video if you like this video. Leave me a comment. I like hearing from you guys. You can check out the Facebook page and the Twitter feed by clicking on links in the description below, and you can also check out other videos that I've done by clicking on annotations at the end of this video, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye. Look, I didn't find anything.
Leave me alone, Max. Get a clue.
Can I speak to... Alright, we'll go back. I mean, I just don't understand what I'm missing. I'm gonna feel like a moron when I find it. Check her computer again, maybe.
I'll give Victoria props for that.
Next.
Boom. This is the email I need to show Juliet.
I'm a moron.
Now I have to...
Oh. Oh, what do you do? Oh, you're creepy as hell. Oh, do you hurt me? Do you hurt me? Yes, you do. Okay. Well, I'll just stay over here.